Guys, I got McDonald's balloon. Yeah. And toy balloon. I got smaller and medium and big. Oh, that's okay. I got medium. Oh, really? Easy. Wait, last it is there. Let's go. And the largest one. And the largest one, medium. Wait, small, medium, I'll use that. And the bigger. It was too slow, not fast. So my before video, it got 49. So let's go to 50 with 50 views. Wait, 49 views. And let's go to 50 views. Yeah, if hits 100, I will 100 subscribers. I'm gonna celebrate. If I reach 1,000 play button. I wish I was famous. So subscribe, like. It's not ended yet. Subscribe, comment, like, share, and hit the bell button. Wait. And punch that. The medium. It's gonna hurt. Easy. The largest one. It's not a big one. Like it's actually. See? Now break my knuckles. My mom is asleep, so he got work at night. Look. See, it's night. Yeah, it's night. And we're gonna eat. Look, rice we in the Philippines. Coffee, Yoshi. Good boy. Look, this good. Oh my god. Look, coffee, Timo. We're cooking something. Yeah. Wait, not yet. There's something in there that I...
Pork.
Yeah, pork. I didn't see it. So there's pork. Wait, my pork. So I got 10 points and 14 points before. So my friend has 10 points. My friend has 9 points. My friend has 9 points. And the small one friend just 4. 3. So weak. Only 3 points. and my smallest friend, and my 8 years old friend, 9, and I got 10. No way. I'm actually better than him. He's a basketball player like Steph Curry. I'm LeBron James. This is the end. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, share. Goodbye. That's Sunset's Mason, but because and it's spelled backwards. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.